Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that transforms any space into a magical haven. The floating candles with remote control. If you're looking for the best church decorations or enchanting pieces for your events, you're in the right place. Let's explore what makes these flameless candles a must-have. First up, let's talk about safety. These LED floating candles are crafted from high-quality materials and are battery-operated, which means no worries about traditional flame hazards. You can place them near windows or around delicate decorations without the fear of fire or melting wax. This makes them perfect not just for churches but also for family gatherings, especially if you have kids or pets around. One of the standout features of these candles is their convenience. Each pack includes a magic wand remote control that allows you to turn the candles on and off effortlessly. Imagine hanging these lovely lights from your church ceiling, creating a serene atmosphere with just a flick of your wrist. The remote makes it easy to control multiple candles at once, adding to the charm without the hassle. Now, let's discuss ambiance. Designed with a realistic flickering effect, these candles mimic the gentle glow of traditional candles. They come with a dripping wax effect and a 3D wick, enhancing their authenticity. When lit, they cast a warm yellow light that can turn any church service, wedding, or festive occasion into a truly magical experience. You can use them for holiday decorations, special events, or just to add a cozy vibe to your home. Installation is a breeze too. The package comes with adhesive hooks and a nearly invisible fishing line, allowing you to hang them wherever you desire. You can customize the lengths to fit your space perfectly. This flexibility is especially useful in larger venues like churches, where you might want to create a stunning display. That captures the essence of your event. Let's not forget about longevity. Each floating candle runs on AA batteries, which are not included, but they last up to an impressive 200 hours on a single set. This means you can enjoy their glow throughout your events without the constant need to replace batteries. Plus, once you switch them on, you can rest assured they'll stay lit as long as you need them. As a final point, these candles are eco-friendly. They provide a beautiful solution for illuminating your space while being considerate of the environment. Unlike traditional candles, there's no wax to clean up, and no emissions to worry about. You can enjoy the aesthetics without compromising safety or sustainability. In conclusion, the floating candles with remote control are not just decorations, they're an experience. Whether you're planning a church service, a wedding, or a holiday gathering, these candles will create the perfect atmosphere. With their safe, convenient design, realistic flicker, and easy installation, they stand out as the best choice for anyone looking to add a touch of magic to their decor. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful reviews and tips on the best products to enhance your life. Until next time, keep your spaces magical.